So today we're going to walk through some of my favorite crafts that I've made over the course of the last year or two. First is this drink holder. I have this sitting on my couch all day, every day. I use it literally every single day. It fits my large mugs, it fits the small bottles, it fits cups, it fits everything. I love this thing. Again, I use it daily. And then on my front door, I have this door hanger, and I love it as well. It's just cute. It's simple. I do update the little flowers for every season, which keeps it a little bit mixed up so that you don't see the same thing all year round. And so I love this as well. That's just my style. Just simple. And then we have the thing that's sitting on top of my oven. It was supposed to be hanging, but it never made it to a hanging position. So it's still sitting on the top of my oven. But as you can see, I've got all my seasonings there. So I do use it. It sits there. I use it again anytime I cook. So every day. And then when I go to eat what I cook, I also use my coasters that I made. And so these coasters were from Daiso. And then I just added the wording on there. And they're cute. And I use them every time I sit down at my table to eat or drink something. One of my older crafts that I made when my late husband was alive was this Love You More sign. And for some reason, I just love it. I love it. And I don't even know why. It's not perfect, but I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things I think I've ever made. Simple Dollar Tree craft that I absolutely love. And this is a couple different things. So first, we've got the vase on the right side. That's actually a tequila bottle. And then we've got the little wood structure that I'm still not convinced about, but I kind of think it's kind of cute, but I really love the vase the most. And then inside the vase, I made those little dark leaves out of paper bags or out of plastic bags. So this is 3 different crafts here that you're looking at, and I love them all. I think they were all fabulous. The little guy, to me it looks like a guy because it looks like he has legs. That's not what it was supposed to look like, but that's how it turned out, and I guess I'm okay with it. Then we have the table sitter. This is where I keep some of the coasters that are in my living room. There's a remote control to the vacuum in there. And then there's this little Ray-Dun clock in there. And I just think it's cute. I added some little handles on it. And I just think it's cute. I just think it just fits right in. It adds some wood to my room. And then I made this. This is supposed to be a table centerpiece. It's not winter anymore, so I moved it. It's sitting up on top of my counter there, or up on top of my cabinet. But I still love it. It's just white and blue and some green in there, and I just love it. I just think it's so adorable. And then we have the wall hanging that was made out of the door sealant that you seal a door with. That's what it's made out of. And I just think it looks really cool. Again, with the very abstract, just kind of random art. I like that look, and so I really like this piece of work. And then this is a paint pour that I was watching Liz Fenwick, and I got this idea from her. She was doing this, and so then I did one. And I have this hanging up in one of my bathrooms, and I do really like it. I will leave it there probably forever until I want to change colors, but I really like it a lot. And then we have this little random abstract piece from Dollar Tree that I made. For some reason, the video for this got a lot of likes. And I think it's cute, like I'm a fan. But a lot of people really like this design. And I didn't think it was that fabulous. Again, I think it's cute, but it's not something to write home about. But you guys, I don't know, some of you really liked it. So that's fabulous. And then this one was a dupe I made from the Crafty Couple. That little wooden lantern looking type thing, and I've got just a candle sitting there. This sits out on my fireplace year round. So all year this is sitting out there. And I really like it because it's very structural, very industrial. That's the look I like. And then my cat's favorite craft is this Costco Warehouse. And he loves this thing. He's in there all the time. And then I have this little hanging in my kitchen, and it says, what does it say? Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. And that just touches me. I think that's just adorable. And so I really do like this one. This one has been hanging up in my kitchen for quite a while. This is in my living room. This was just a random wood piece where I put many different sizes and pieces of wood, connected them all together onto this board. And we get this very strange abstract, again with the abstract, art piece. Now it's a little too small for the wall that it's on, but I have kept it there ever since I made it. And then we have these little random crafts that I've done, just updating some Dollar Tree pots. And then the frame in the background was also a Dollar Tree dupe from someone. I apologize, I don't remember who because it's an old craft, but you know, just making Dollar Tree stuff look cute. And then this one was chalk art, and it's literally just a foam board, a black foam board with some different colors of chalk. And again, with the abstract, that's just me. That's just my personality. Just kind of random and abstract and just, you know, whatever. It works. Whatever works. I think this is the last one I'm sharing. This is my jewelry hanger. Now, y'all are going to make fun of me for how crowded it is in there. But this is one of my favorites. This was an idea I got off of Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. And I made it right away, and I absolutely love it. As you can see, it is heavily used, and I've never had a problem with it. It's fabulous. I love it. And thank you so much for stopping by today. I sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.